guys, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing. And if you subscribe, hit your notification bell so you won't miss an upload. And to my returning subscribers, you know I love you so much. Okay, today what I have is a Dollar Tree haul. It's going to be full of hidden gems from the Dollar Tree that you may overlook, but are wonderful, okay? So let's hop right into this. And I have some new finds, okay? So let's start off with my new finds. Okay, I have never seen this before in my Dollar Tree ever. This is a game, Guess Who? It's in the aisle with all the games, and you just, are they wearing glasses or whatever? That's what this looks like. That is so cute. It's more fun to play the color frame way. So I'll open one in a minute and we'll look at it. But I found Guess Who? I found Trouble, if you can believe it. Oh my gosh, mind-blowing, okay? Dollar Tree is beyond just blowing my mind every time I go there. Then Monopoly, stop, I can't believe it. Look at that. Okay, then Candyland. Oh my gosh, what can I say about that, okay? And it's Hasbro, name brands, okay? And then Chutes and Ladders was the other one that I found, okay? So let's open Monopoly, okay? And let's see what this is like. Oh my gosh, here is your little board, and it's has something over it, like almost like a, oh my gosh, I cannot remember, but I have a machine that will do it. You put this plastic on it and seal it. That's what it seems like it has on the front, but not the back. But look at that. There's your board. And then, oh, here's your little pieces. Great stocking stuffers. I mean, this would be great stocking stuffers. Oh my gosh, look at your little dice. I'm sure there's two in here. Oh, there's more than two. There's three. There's your dice. Here's your money. Oh my gosh, this is a must-have. So much fun. And then these little, I don't know what they are. And it comes with instructions. And look at this, go to jail, the railroad, the houses. So this would be, like I said, a great stocking stuffer. Oh my. So that's just the Monopoly. Wonderful finds, okay? Then I found some more new signs. This one says, Merry and Bright. And look at the snowflakes back in there. And the trees and that truck with that beautiful tree and that gorgeous glitter that you know I love. Okay. Then look at this beautiful camper with the snowflakes, the little lights. That camper is adorable. Home for the holidays. Love it. Okay. Then look what I found. An S. I couldn't find it with an M or a T, so I picked up S for Santa. Look at that beautiful bulb with the snowflakes. They're raised, but look at that. For $1. I have never seen this before in my Dollar Tree. Okay, then sleighing it. Is that not adorable? With that sleigh, and it's filled with presents. Oh, I love it. And it's on both sides. So adorable. And this one said, I'm only a morning person on December 25th. I thought that was hilarious, okay? So cute. Oh, and if you've noticed my earrings, I bought them at Target. This is a beanie, And this is like a mitten, and I love them. I think they're Bubble Bar by Sugar Fix. Love them. So anyway, or I may have that backwards, but you can go to Target. They have tons of gorgeous earrings, okay? Then I picked this up. They've had this. Pretty sure I've seen this before, but it's great little platter to put your cookies in. It's so festive, and if you're having a gathering, this makes all the difference in the world. And it's pretty decor too, okay? Okay, let's get into some hidden gems. I did not know that they have hot chocolate bombs, but they do. Look at that right there. Oh, I cannot wait. It says chocolatey hollow filled with mini marshmallows. I'm ready. So, you know, this would be a great stocking stuffer, but these are like little hidden gems that you could miss out if you don't really go look for them, okay? And then look at this, stirring spoons, the chocolate stirring spoons. Oh, melt away chocolatey treat. Look at that. So delicious. And you get 5 spoons. Oh my gosh. But you just can't beat this stuff. I'm loving it. Then, if you have like a friend that you want to give something to small, or like you're doing Secret Santas, or a teacher at your children's school, or stocking stuffers, once again, they have truffles. Premium milk chocolate truffles. Look at this. You get 4 to a pack. So I picked this one up. Then they have the caramel filling in these. Look at that. So adorable. And then I love strawberry and white chocolate. So that's what this is. Strawberry and white chocolate truffles. I love it. Do I need these? No. Do I want these? Yes. But they're such hidden gems, okay? Then another thing that they have that I think is wonderful. These would be great stocking stuffers too. Barton's Caramel Peanut Crisp Clusters. Look at that. So delicious. And I really do like a lot of Dollar Tree's candy. Some of this you will see out at Walmart or anywhere. I love it, okay? And you get, I wonder if it says how much. It just says peanuts, caramel, and crispy rice drenched in smooth chocolate. To die for. Okay, love that. Then Barton's Peanut Butter Clusters. This just has the delicious milk chocolate and clusters of peanuts and then peanut butter. So yummy. And I wonder, oh, okay. You get 3 pieces in each. So these must be big, okay? And then these are so good. I tried these. I had hauled some of, well, I had bought some of these last year before I got really sick. And I tried them after I knew I couldn't upload videos last year for a while. These are delicious. It's the peppermint bark. So good. They're individually wrapped. I love them. And you get 1/4 of a pound, okay? So I picked up 2 of these because I'd hate to have to fight Melvin for them. But they're delicious. Great stocking stuffers. Again, and you didn't break the bank, but you look like you really put some thought into it. And they're going to love it, okay? Another thing I love is the Junior Mints Peppermint Crunch. Brand name for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Some of you have asked, has my Dollar Tree raised its prices? And no, none of them that I go to have raised their prices at all yet. Okay, then this is another thing that is so good. Rudolph's Snack Mix. Great stocking stuffer once again. And it's delicious. And you get 3.5 ounces. Can't go wrong with that. Then I love these little chocolates, and they have a theme. You get 4 pieces. This just says Merry Christmas. So cute. It's just assorted milk and dark chocolates. But they're delicious. And like I said, they're hidden gems. Great stocking stuffers. I could go on and on. This is Merry and Bright. Look at those really pretty light bulbs. 4 pieces in that. Okay. You get a caramel, strawberry cream, orange cream, and cocoa truffle. Oh my gosh. I would be happy. And they're all the same kind of candy. So you're just basically choosing the box. That's all you're choosing. And then have a Holly Jolly Christmas. So cute. The same ones. Okay. That's the only 4 that I saw. Then they have these Christmas dots. Now some of this we're going to do a Christmas candy taste test very soon. And Melvin wanted to get these. He is so funny. So we picked this up. Should be really good. Cherry, lime, and vanilla flavored gumdrops. I'll have to do the vanilla, okay? Then the peppermint bark bar. I'm thinking this one is going to be really good as well. But you could do a gift basket. You could do stocking stuffers, like I've said repeatedly. This stuff is so good. And it doesn't cost a lot, but yet it looks like you really went over and really got some nice stuff. Now, these last things are for our candy taste test for Christmas. I'm going to be more of a Rudolph, and he's going to be more of a Santa, so he decided he'd wear the elves. But look at these glasses. Are these not adorable? So cute. So that's everything that I found this week at the Dollar Tree. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you now. First of all, I want to wish everyone a very happy, healthy, safe, and fun Thanksgiving, okay? I'm going to be taking off this Friday because Melvin is off. And so I won't see you until Tuesday, but I'm only taking 1 day off. My fingers are getting better. This one still sticks and this one still hurts from time to time. But so I'll see you on Tuesday. I'm not sure what for, but it will be something fun, either a DIY, a decorate with me, or maybe even our candy taste test from the Dollar Tree for Christmas. We'll see. Let me get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby, and she is wanting to play. She was running around the base of the Christmas tree once again, running from Mama. Were you running from Mama? Yes, you were. So, until next time, bye guys.